everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are unboxing and reviewing VANGUARD Oslo 47 camera bag. Without any further delay, let's open the packing. There we go. So the bag was very well secured inside the box, and I'm quite impressed by the amount of padding and bubble wraps that were used to secure it. Well done with the packaging. So this is the bag. It looks quite compact. So this is a Sling type camera bag by VANGUARD. This comes in two different colors. I ordered this in burgundy and black, but it comes in all black as well. Looking closely, there is a VANGUARD branding on the front. It is rubberized texture, soft rubber touch. Stitching looks very nice and neat. The quality of zips are impressive as well. These zips have soft touch rubber on them, and these zips are very soft to open and close. So this one is burgundy and black variant of the bag, but you can also buy it in all black color. So this one is Oslo 47. It is a bigger variant, and Oslo 37 is a smaller variant. I wanted Oslo 47 because it has more capacity in it. I wanted to keep a couple of lenses, body, flash, and I also wanted to put tripod in the bag. So this suits me better than the smaller one. It's up to you. Oslo 37, it also has similar kind of material and look and feel, but it's smaller. Towards the top, we have the first storage compartment, and you can open it up like this. And here you get on the top. This is a nice place to store anything you want. And then this is a pocket, and it is secured by a zip. Nice. Then moving down, this is towards the side. This is the main compartment where you are going to keep your camera and lenses. So on the lid, we have slots to keep your smaller items, maybe like memory cards. Towards the inside, we have padded interior to secure your camera, to keep it safe. And we have Velcro. You can adjust the compartments to make them smaller or bigger depending on which lenses and camera body you are planning to keep inside. So lid, there is another lid towards this side. So there are two compartments, 1, 2, and both are adjustable. You can increase or decrease the size using the velcros here. And we also have smaller compartment, and there is also a Velcro based divider. You can take it out if you want, or you can move it to adjust the size. So this is a decent sized compartment, and I believe it can easily keep a camera body, mirrored or mirrorless DSLRs, and a couple of lenses. Towards the front, we have another pocket. This is a flat one. Maybe you can keep your documents here. Anything which is not very thick can be stored here. And then on the other side, this is the slot to put your tripod in. Towards the back, this is the storage compartment for rain cover. So this bag is not fully waterproof, but they provide you with a rain cover. Here you go. So this is the rain cover. You simply put it on your bag when it's raining, and it is going to keep your camera and your bag waterproof. So putting on the bag is pretty simple. Just wear it like this. There's an additional strap to secure your bag properly, and here you go. When you need to take out the camera, it's pretty simple. Just release this hook. There you go. You have access to your camera without removing the bag. Take out the camera, take the shots. When you're done, put it back in, close the Velcro, and goes back like this. We're all done. This bag also comes with rain cover, so in case if you need to access that, it's right here. Just take it out and put them on your back like this, and wear it again. All done. So that's it for today. I hope this has been informative for you. Please do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. I'll see you again with the next video. Goodbye.